open my hand-in-hand Pop Mart wine box opening. And while I'm in the Rainforest Cafe. This is the front. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. I either want the this one, this one, or this one. You don't like this? Okay. Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today?
Oh, and the elephants too.
Okay, let's see what I got. I think someone's birthday is going on. Okay. Oh, it's hard to open. Okay. Okay, I got a little stand.
I used to love it in London though. Like, it was everywhere.
Okay, let's see what I get. Ooh, I got this one. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, it has
What's this thing? It's like chicken fingers, spinach.
oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, now I'm gonna get the stand. It's a little puzzle, that's so cute. This is it. Got a balloon. Okay, I got a rose. I got the rose. It's okay. This is the card. It's so cute. Okay, I got a Sprite. Addie got a rose. We both got roses. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.